Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix contacts disappeared after update in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're using S24 Ultra and you're facing the issue that once you have updated your phones or your phone software, your contacts are now not showing and your phone app or in your contacts list. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go over to your settings app here, go to accounts and backup, select manage accounts, and here just select your account on which you have saved your contacts. So let's say I want to select this one here. Here you just click on sync account and you might see all the data you can sync. Here you might see the contacts. You have to make sure it's enabled, and you can also enable everything from here. Now just click on these three dots, click on more information, and here you might see, so your Samsung account will automatically sync. You just have to go to your Google account if you have some contacts of your Google account and are not a display. Click on sync account and enable these toggles, especially for contacts. Click on these three dots, click on sync now. It will resync your contacts from your Google account. Once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. But if your issue is still not fixed, you still don't have any contact in your phone or in your contact list. So what you can do, you can keep a long press on your phone app here, or if you have any contact app, like you can go to search here and just search for contacts, and you will see contacts tab. Keep a long press on it and click on this info button or eye icon here to open app info in your settings app. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, and you can also clear data of your phone or your contacts app. And once you have cleared data, it will clear all the temporary files, the junk files from your contacts app. So it might help you to fix the issue. But if your issue is still not fixed, so you can check one more thing. Go to your phone app there and click on these three dots. Click on this view by story location. You have to make sure that you have selected all contacts from here. Sometimes it might be if you have changed your story, like let's say I want to select anything else from here. Like I have zero contact in my one, so I'm going to select this one. You won't be able to see any contact here, so you were, and then you want to also see that your contacts are on the same one. You can select view all contacts to view all your phone contacts. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.